Hello guys, I'm back with another ceiling fan video. It's a little later, it's nighttime now, it's pitch black. And I'm going to be doing another installation. I already took the Hampton Bay Chatham down. And now I'm going to be installing Northman and Northman spinner fan. So, first what you're going to do, so what I had to drill another hole into this beam because so it could fit a flush mounted fan like the Hampton Bay Chatham and canopy ones with down rods. So first you are going to remove your two screws, and then there's four holes, and you're gonna pick two of them. One across from each other, not two and two because it won't work. So first I got this fan brand new, and I used it before. I bought it with my own money on eBay. So yeah. So first what we do, we take the screws out, two screws, not diagonal, across from each other. And then you are going to loosen two screws, and I already did that. Make sure you do that. After you have your two screws off, you're going to take your screwdriver and put this in. Now let's see where the hole is. There. I'm going to be doing many more installations now because I'm going to have multiple fans on this beam now. I used to be only having the Sears Roebuck spinner, and now I'm going to be having multiple fans, including the Hampton Bay Chatham, the Northman spinner, and other fans I'm going to have to finish installing. What in the world? Why is this not? Alright, I'm gonna have to do this one a weird way. Alright, I might have stripped the hole out, but wait a second. Alright, I'm gonna just take this out and see if it'll still go back in, because I think I stripped it. Maybe it going diagonal. Yeah, it'll still go in the other way, it's fine. Alright, let's just put it back in. Actually, I think I should make a new hole. I just drilled in by hand with this gripper screwdriver that I got for a present, brand new. It's a little worn out. I'll clean it, then it'll show to its natural, true blue color. Okay, that's better. Just have to tighten this a little more. Just give me a second. Alright, that's good. Alright, so this fan is a vintage fan, so it works a little different because it has two normal holes and then it has two slotted screws. You're going to take your two slotted screws, and then first what you're going to do before we do any of that, we're going to pull our wires through the empty holes. Same as the mounting bracket, ground wire. Same as like all the wires mostly. Alright, let me just put this in. And I was uninstalling this from upstairs, where my fan room was in the winter. I accidentally lost a fence screw for the globe, but yeah, it's okay. I'll find it tomorrow because it's like dark up there, and plus we have no lighting. sure they're even when you have them out. Wait a second. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the non-slotted screw. I'm going to hang it by the hook. First, you want to hang it by the hook. If you spin it like clock back. Alright, now that we have this hung up, we are going to take all the wires and thread them through up here. Make sure they are good up here. Just like pull them out. Alright, and then after that's done, you want to check and see if all your wires are pulled up. Okay, so then you are going to take this off of the hook, then slide it up. And make sure it is even where the slot screws is. Alright, I'm gonna put this back on the J hook because this fan, like most vintage fans, when you're wiring them, they would hang on a J hook. Like when you're wiring them up. And I have to put this on a J hook, put it on the J hook when I am feeding the wires up because I need to get the wires out. There. And now, don't tighten these yet because you don't want them stripped. And plus you don't want those to fall down. So never tighten the slotted screws first. You always want, if this doesn't line up, you want to like vault your canopy until you see the hole. And then put the screw in. And the same as this side. I installed this fan on Christmas Eve, 2018, and I'm just moving this down here because it's like safer for me. Not like safer for me, but I just want to use like that word because it's like really hot and I could die from the heat up there. So that's why I'm moving all my fans down here. It only took me a couple minutes to get the Chatham down and the Northman. And I just had to do these quick because it was just getting dark out and I didn't feel like taking the rest down. And I will do that in the future, which will probably be tomorrow, because it's a Saturday and I have nothing to do. Just a good thing. Alright, so then we will tighten our slotted screws. And this bracket is not like an ordinary common bracket because the usual ones, like of any fan, like some of the vintage fans have them, but most of them have like these brackets. Like the newer fans and some vintage fans have like you just slide in the ball and then it's just easier. And most vintage fans have this weird bracket to hold it in. So yeah, we have it going. And I just wanted to show you something. You might think it's one of those fans where if the canopy drops, it'll go on here. Look at. What's really cool about this, you can actually flush mount it. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna just set this back up. And now I'm gonna go over here, get the screws and get the blades. Alright. So, when it comes to putting the blades in, it's just like blades and 3 screws and nut bolts. Whatever you want to call them, nuts. So we have the cherry side, we have the oak side. I picked the oak side because it looks the best with this. And when I had the oak side, you could see some imprints from the blades because I had this almost hanging for a year. If it was Christmas 2019, if it was Christmas, that would have been a year. But I had to take it down because I'm going to install it here. So let's just put our access, other screws and bolts right there. So what you want to do first is put the screw right here, and put the blade. What you can do it to be perfect, you could put the screws the way you want them to be, and do all that. So that's how I'm going to be, because I want the stand to look good. Okay, perfect. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I'll just twist this a little bit. Loosen this. Alright, come on. Come on, loosen up. Alright, I have a better idea. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. I'm gonna have my screwdriver and I'm gonna make it hold this. And then we'll screw it in. And I'm gonna have to do this with my strong hand because my weak hand is not really helping. Oh, whoops. All right, good. All right, now let's take the next screw. Let's put it in. Alright, and when I got this fan, it was NIB, it was new in box. But for some reason, when I got it, I am never buying from this seller again. I don't want to tell his name. And he just gave me, or he or she, whatever, gave me a bad fan because it only works on low and high, no medium. And I don't feel like replacing the capacitor and blah, 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 all that. And it still has only works on low and high. And, which is very annoying, because what happens if you want to speed in the middle? It doesn't work. So that might frustrate you, and it frustrates me. Yeah, let's just curve this a little bit. Alright, just call that good. Let's take our next one. I'll just like screw that off. I have to say, when it comes to these fans, when you have screws to like lock them in like this, yeah, I just use a screwdriver and push it up like that, and then just tighten like that. So now I'm going to go over here again and get the blades. And what I'm going to have to do soon is I accidentally broke the globes. I accidentally broke the globes because they were on the ground and I accidentally tripped on them. And one got chipped and cracked. One has a little chip missing out of it, and the third one is fine. So just for temporary replacements, I use Hampton-made Chatham globes, and it kind of looks like a different model for a ceiling fan. So yeah, I'm gonna get this done quick, and then yeah, I'm just gonna put all these in. Like I'm just gonna lightly thumb screw them. And then that, and take this, come back, little boy, come back, nope, whoops, that there. All right. Then we'll do the last one. Alright, next blade. And when I use the Hampton Bay Chatham globes, it really doesn't make a difference because the globes are somewhat like that. They're like frosted. They're like frosted, I think it was octagon globes. I don't know. I still have the broken globes upstairs, but I don't feel like going back upstairs. So, yeah. Alright, I'm going to do what I did last time. Just thumb screw them in, sloppy, and then do them with the, and then do it with the screwdriver and stuff. Alright, so I'm going to screw this like usual. And do that. This video is taking me a little bit longer than when I installed the Chatham because the Chatham does not take this long. Alright, there we go. And plus I had some trouble pulling the wires out, so that would have to do something with it. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now let's just do what I usually do. Thumb screwing, not with the screwdriver, just takes way too long, but the screwdriver is quicker. That's why I'm trying to speed the process up this video. Next blade, fourth blade. Stop that. I'm thinking of to switch the globes. I'm thinking to put my my Sears Roebuck globes on that used to be hanging here. It will be hanging here in the future. I got a little dust. I got a little cough because I think a little dust got on me. Because this fan was like super dusty, but I cleaned it and it's all better. And for some reason, when I got this new in box NIB, for some reason I don't know why the hanger ball, the down rod ball, was like all scratched up, and it's like got like through the plastic. For some reason, some eBay sellers aren't that good, but for some reason, because I have to get the globes from all my family members. So yeah. I think what would look good with this is we would be using the the Sears Roebuck globes. I think those would look good. All right, next blade. And this thing is really fast and nice. Just have to say. Unscrew this. In my opinion, I think it looks better with this the oak side better than the cherry, because I feel like the cherry just makes it like too dark and weird looking, kind of. Yeah. And also, when I got this fan, for some reason, I don't know why, the white kit was one of those the 9-pin connectors. Probably because it's an old vintage fan. And some of them are like already like wired and ready to go, like the Sears Roebuck. Refire, I've been watching some of your videos, and I'm a big fan of you, and I see your videos all the time. And I saw your Sears Roebuck. Like you said, it looks exactly like mine, but yours is antique brass, and I don't have a missing pull fob. And yeah, and mine is in white, and mine has cane, and yours is plain. I don't know why they just make the Sears Roebucks all the same. I meant like the model that I have. Alright, that's good. I'm gonna get the globes off my Sears Roebuck now.
Okay.
And I had to put the pull chains on myself. I just put them on before. Alright, I'm gonna get the globes off of my Sears Roebuck now really quick. Alright. I'm gonna do it now. Whoop. Alright. This won't take long. Alright. Ow. It's on my head. Alright. I need a screwdriver to remove these. I'm probably gonna have to take some of the parts off of my Sears Roebuck because, like when I was putting this down, one of the blades sagged because it hit the ground. That like popped back into place. Sears Roebuck fans are like really good fans. I'll fix that probably if it has like a bad warpage. I think it actually looks better with the Sears Roebuck globes. My opinion. Oh crap. Let's just call that good. Yeah. I think it looks really nice with the Sears Roebuck globes. Anyway, in case it falls, I'm just gonna put the light bulb in. So catching the light bulb. Yeah, it actually looks better. It looks like, what are those fans called? Yeah, the Westinghouse. I don't know what the model is called, but on eBay it says Westinghouse vintage model. What it says. Alright, in the next video I'm going to wire this up for you and fire it up. Yeah, because I don't like to show the wiring in the video because I just don't like to. That's why I wait until I'm done with the video and I just wire it. Alright, almost done. Almost done. Just give me a second. Okay, it's finished. That looks really good, I have to say. So yeah, see you later. Bye guys.